Here we are. Brunswick, Georgia. This is the hospital. You got an ambulance sitting up there running. I was sitting at the house. They come across the top of my house. They always come across the top of my house. And I said, well, I'll walk over here and film them. Looks like it's got Trauma 1 wrote on the side of that thing. It's just about every day. You'll see the helicopter fly across the top of the house. He'll only be, you could probably hit him with a rock if you threw it at him when he come across the top of my house. He's sitting on the roof as a ambulance drive in up under him, under the helicopter, him, her, whatever. Sometimes there'll be 2 or 3 helicopters come in here. They'll come in here and get somebody taken from here to Savannah, here to Jacksonville. I reckon that's Ireland. He's probably been sitting there about 10 minutes now. Like I said, he come across the top of my house. And I walked inside, got my phone, my camera. I walked down here. I only live about 2 blocks from here, so it's not, too far. I walked. Yeah, when I was growing up, this Brunswick Hospital back in the 50s and the early 60s, 1950, 1960. My mama's mama, my grandmother, she worked here. She was a nurse. Mom and Daddy, they'd be working whatever they was going to do. They'd bring us by here. We'd only be, 5 years old, whatever. And 5, 6 years old, and they bring us by here, me and my little brother, and this is where we'd be babysitted right here all day long for 8 hours while my grandmama, she worked. But we knew all the patients, we knew all the doctors, We made our rounds every day. We knew everybody in the whole hospital back then. Yeah, it's about 1960, I reckon. Hospital grew since then. It wasn't even half that big. All that you see up there now, none of that was here. Hospital used to be a little 3-story building there. A little small building. They done added everything. They done added all this in right here. They added all of them buildings right there and all. They've added all that building right there in. Done bought a lot of land. Matter of fact, sold them a piece of land there at the corner behind me right here. Sold the hospital land. They just took it and made a parking lot. I was wanting to see him take off. Yeah, that big old red one rode on the side of that thing right there. I reckon that's trauma, and then this trauma 1. You can see by the bottom of the door there, it's got trauma in red and 1 in blue. Next time I'm gonna bring me a chair. Yeah, they got construction going on, and a lot of people going down the wrong places right now. And you get down there and the road's blocked, you got to turn around and come back. I can't hardly see this screen. I was messing with the screen right there looking. You can see them right now, and they got somebody they fixing to put up there on it. They're probably taking him to Jacksonville or Florida or Savannah, Georgia. Well, they got him in there.